Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In the short tutorial I will discuss about how to get Play Store app on your Chromebooks. Guys, if you want to get, so keep watching this video until the end. Before starting my video, please like and subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates. So guys, first of all, click on this bottom corner for the Play Store. You can see Play Store app is available in my app section. If you are not see the Google Play Store in this section, so simply search here Play Store. If after searching Play Store you can find out Play Store app in this section. If not available after finding, so here is open Chrome on your Chromebook and find out Google Play Store apps and games. When you search it, Google Play Store app and games, and open the first link. When I click on the first link, is opening my Google Play Store app on my Chromebook. In your case, is opening Google Chrome as a website. You can create a shortcut and uh, download the application as a Google Play Store app. By this method, you can get the Play Store app on your Chromebook. I hope this video helpful for you. So guys, please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.